Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Big day in the market, right? I'm recording this video just before the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. I'm interested to see how that's going to turn out, right? And how the market is going to respond. Now, tonight's presentation, I've got a high-flying momentum stock. This is a stock I mentioned a couple weeks ago. The video got great views on the internet here. So that's why I wanted to talk about it again, because what I mentioned in the video, and again, this was a position, very high momentum stock, came to fruition. The stock being BigBear.ai or BBai, one of the AI software darlings in the market right now. A lot of retail traders utilizing the stock and its volatility to make money in the market. Now, I am going to play a short clip from that presentation, and it will make sense here in just a moment, so that way we can talk about the trade setup occurring right now. But look, the position overextended right now, right? Been talking about a potential retest of this support line here, the zone, probably around $5.15, somewhere in there. So that video came out about 2 months ago. Now the price action of BBai or BigBear.ai did come down to those levels. That's why tonight's presentation, I wanted to talk about this stock as a potential momentum play to have on your radar. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into VectorVest 7 software and take a look at the chart and see if the trade makes sense. All right, big event coming up. We got the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar coming September 20th, 21st, 2025. You can achieve the VIP experience in person. Just go to VectorVest.com/Vegas to register now. Now, before we get to the stock chart, here's BigBear.ai. I just want to talk about some of our proprietary indicators here at VectorVest. The first thing, look at the valuation. We only value the stock at 63 cents. No, that's not a price target. It's just letting us know that investors are paying a premium. On top of that, look at the fundamental analysis, RVRS. RV looks at long-term price appreciation potential compared to a AAA corporate bond. This is typically an indicator that longer-term investors utilize. RS, relative safety, just an indicator of risk. RT, relative timing, this looks at the short-term price trend of that stock, right? Now, if we look at our recommendation here, the stock does not have a buy recommendation. Our proprietary indicators are not giving favorable ratings. And the forecasted data here, both on the sales growth rate and on the earnings growth rate, are negative. So this stock here, I'm only going to focus on the technicals when it comes to BigBear.ai. So let's go ahead and jump in the chart and see if there's any money to be made. All right, here's BigBear.ai over the last 6 months. If I use this date line here and I move it, this is where I made the video here. That would have been what, July 3rd, 2025. You can see that was right near the high. You can see this resistance here, upper wick, double touch on this downward trend line. If I scroll back even more, you can see where this trend line is coming from here, from the prior swing high. So this is going to be my target price on the move here. You see, as of right now, that target price is going to be around $8, but that will adjust to the downside going forward here. Price action currently around $5.79. And if we zoom back into a 3-month time span, we see the green line here. This is a 200-day moving average of price. Price action, nice retest and pivot, break above the 20-day, break above the 40-day moving average. And with today's price action here, retesting this 40-day, I actually kind of like this. Now, my resistance level is coming in around 594 to about 626 here. If you're already in the position, hey, this is a nice pivot, and you already know my target is going to be closer to this descending trend line here. Now, if you're not already in BigBear.ai and you're looking for some confirmation, I would look around 626. Get price action above this resistance zone before getting in. As well, if you can get above the swing high here, you do have a gap to fill, and that will get you around $6.74. Again, the forecasted data here, you can see growth rate and earnings on the decline, sales growth rate on the decline, earnings per share on the decline. Not here for the fundamental stocks. This is not a safe stock. This is an aggressive, speculative place. That's why I suggest sticking to the technicals. Now, down below, RT relative timing, it has become unfavorable. Now, the RT looks at the short-term price trend. It's an oscillator. Above one is favorable. Below one is unfavorable. Price action became unfavorable back on August 12th here. So the bears are in charge. That's when the RT dropped below 1, coming in at 0.92 that day. And just looking at price action over the last few months here, you can see the bears taking charge. However, now look at RT making its way back closer to 1 here, currently at 0.79. So if you want to wait for some more confirmation, you could get RT back above 1. But I like that resistance level that we're looking at currently. And if you are already in this position, again, that pivot off the 200-day, and with the pivot coming off that 200-day, right around the zone that I was looking for, around 515, being just below that around 450. Price action currently making its way back up right now at 582. So again, the market's gonna move from the interest rate decision this afternoon. We might get some confirmation by tomorrow, but nonetheless, keep BBai or Big Bear AI on your radar. This might be a great momentum play going forward. Now, again, my name is Ryan. If you enjoyed tonight's content, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow evening. Good night.
Yeah.